As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills. The Master Cook 3-burner, B082HG 76CB, and the Char-Broil Grill2Go X200, B0C8JJNM45. Want to help me compare them?
Sure thing. Let's see. Right off the bat, the Master Cook is bigger, right? It's got a 46.5-inch width versus the Char-Broil, which is more compact since it's portable.
Yeah, dimensions are way different. The Master Cook boasts a 472 SQ in cooking area, while the Char-Broil is definitely smaller, made for on the go.
Exactly. And the Master Cook has 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTUs. The Char-Broil, being portable, probably has a single burner and lower BTU output.
You got it. The Char-Broil focuses on portability, even coming with a carry case and a hose adapter for larger propane tanks. The Master Cook is more for patio use, with foldable side shelves.
So it depends on your needs. Are you grilling at home mostly, or do you need something for camping and tailgating?
Good point. And what about the materials? The Master Cook mentions a stainless steel control panel, which sounds durable. What about Char-Broil?
The Char-Broil lists aluminum and stainless steel in its construction. The Master Cook reviews note some flimsiness, so maybe the Char-Broil's smaller size contributes to a sturdier feel, even though both claim stainless steel.
Interesting. Price-wise, the Master Cook is around $199, while the Char-Broil is about $255, including the case and adapter.
So, you're paying extra for the portability of the Char-Broil. It also has TRU-Infrared cooking, which might be a selling point.
Ah, that's right. I've heard that helps prevent flare-ups. The Master Cook doesn't mention anything like that.
Yeah, and the Char-Broil has slightly better customer ratings, 4.5 stars compared to 4.2 for the Master Cook. Both have a ton of reviews, though.
Okay, so bigger cooking space and lower price with the Master Cook, versus portability, potentially better build quality, and TRU-Infrared with the Char-Broil.
Exactly. Sounds like you've got all the info you need to make a decision. Good luck!
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.